Hi, this is just a quick review of Global Spanish. How I found Global Spanish was through a link on Instagram, and they invited me to a free 1 hour class. From there, I signed up to the 3 month pass, which allowed me to have 3 Spanish classes of 1 hour per week. I kind of found this amazing. This allowed me to start from the very beginning because I hadn't been using Spanish for a while. I'd studied a little bit at school, but nothing really major, and then allow me to progress quite quickly and allow me to just improve. And what I needed was not long 2 hour, 3 hour classes, was short but frequent. From there, I spent a month in Spain, and from what I'd learnt in the 2 months I'd done the course from, I just could communicate. I wasn't amazing. I don't speak fluently yet, but it gave me the confidence to use some Spanish and to kind of find ways of learning more Spanish as the weeks went by in Spain. That's really the main thing. Is like it's been amazing, and I'm very much looking forward to continuing with them and studying more of this beautiful language. Thanks.